Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look how we can auto-fit for the column. Okay, for the length, how we can adjust in an automatic way in a one click. That is what we are going to look in this video. Say for example, I'm typing over here managerial economics. Okay, it's not coming in a proper way. I need to adjust separately. In another one, I'm typing entrepreneurial development. Okay, so if I want to adjust in a sense manually, I'm adjusting, right? So that does not require in an automatic way. It should be coming like this. So from here, if I'm typing something else, okay, more than that, automatically it will fit for the respective column, how it will be. That is what we are going to look in this video. Let's see. So for that, what we have to do, okay, we need to go for some baby code. Okay, that will be very easier. So while we are typing, in order to adjust each and everything, if you're doing for data analyst or data typer, okay, data entry operators and all, it will be a riskier one if you're doing for analysis purpose also. So such kind of cases, you need to automate those things. So how you need to do it in a sense, from your sheet is available, you can right click, okay, click for view code. And from here, you need to select for under the general respective worksheet. Okay. Then, okay. Once you open this one, you need to select for the worksheet. Then you have to type it for cells dot the entire column. You have to click this one tab. Okay. Once you're clicking a tab, then you can click it and auto fit. You need to select auto fit. Then click as enter. So once you are clicking, then you have to go from here for the file. Okay. Close and return. Then right now you can type it for accountancy and a little bit longer one. Okay, I'm typing something else. Okay, and see here automatically it is fitting all those things. Okay, I'm not doing any changes. And if I'm clicking a center, it is coming for out of it. So this is a way you can do it. And same file you need to, if you're doing for more work in a sense, same file you need to save it as you need to save it as for this one, a Excel macro enable workbook. Okay, so at any name you need to select and you can keep it as a save. And same file, if you're closing and after that if you're opening in a sense, it will be coming and you can type it, and this will be out of it will be available. Say for example, and from here also you can try it. Okay, and another column if you're trying in a sense has the same way. Okay, automatically it will fit, depends upon the letters occupied. I think this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful in a sense, you can subscribe the channel and keep on watch, as well as share to your friends, those who are looking for this kind of videos. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.